Google Workspace is a popular business site of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and running with of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hi guys, still here, welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world. Now in this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business site. To use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So the first things that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.google.com. You have in the homepage here various things like solutions here, products, sectors, EA, traffic. We have here research also, and then we have other things. Then we have here create and exchange and collaborate with the potential of EA. So to get started, you click over start here, and then you write your company name, for example, is a shop, and your number of employees including you. Then you have your region, and you have your discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an add-on to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. Then you click over create. Next, you have what are your contact details. Because you will create the Google Workspace account, you'll be the administrator. So you write your name, for example, Mike, and then you current your email address. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you will need to have a domain as example.com. So you click over to one. We have here get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your brand online, and we have here configure with your existing domain, use the domain you already own. So let's click for this one and we click over next, and we have here look for a domain name for your business. Look for a domain that reflects your company name or brand to strengthen then your online presence. For example, here is a shop we have here. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you have just to link your personal information like your address and your number phone, also your email, and this is how it works with this Google Workspace subscription. Then we have here in the home page. So create, exchange, and collaborate with the potential of EA. We have here a solution that brings together two applications popular with more than 3 billion users: Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others. Now with Gemini for workplace app plus productivity with EA. So if you go start, then we have here productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So this is how it works. As you can see, you have your video meeting, click over it, you'll find your person illustrate video showing available here, as you can see. So we have your location ideas also, name, creator, photos. Then if you scroll down, we have here also discover the professional world of tomorrow and other things. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs sheets and slides for document creation, collaboration. Encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar of scheduling, leverage shared drives for collaborative projects, and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So let's know right now why we use Google Workspace. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency. With applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet, it allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time. Regardless of location, its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. Then we have here other things like solution here. We have in solution presentation, we have for individuals first, small and medium-sized enterprises, large companies. We have here developers, education, and associates. And about this one, we have presentation, the front link, safer work, presentation, same new company, search, startup, and about for individuals, we have presentation. Also, we have other things that you have to know before get started. We have here Gmail, Google Calendar, we have the products. So you click over show all the application here. As you can see, we have here all this application included. We have Gmail, Meet, Cat, Calendar, Drive, Talks, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Sites, Keep, Scripts, and we have about security. Then we have a Google Workspace makes teamwork much easier. So we have other information here. We have just to read it to more understand. Then we have here other things. We have like some information like what products are included in Google Workspace. You have just to click over it and you get your answer. This is the same with that. Also this question, also this one. Also here we have the last one. What is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace? And if you want more frequent questions, you click over here. And this is how you can get started with Google Workspace. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.